Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we will talk about how money works and the facts that you need to know about money. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over the concept of money and types of money. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of money and exploring how it works in our everyday lives. Money isn't just paper bills or coins, it's a powerful tool that influences our decisions, shapes our economy, and impacts our future. We'll cover the basics of what money is, how it functions as a medium of exchange, and why understanding its principles is crucial for financial success. From budgeting and saving to investing and spending wisely, grasping these fundamentals can empower you to make informed choices. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about finances, this video is designed to engage and enlighten you. Join us as we unravel the significance of money and equip you with the knowledge to navigate your financial journey with confidence. The concept of money. Money is defined as a universally accepted medium of exchange that facilitates transactions for goods and services. Its primary functions include serving as a unit of account, a store of value, and a standard of deferred payment. Historically, money evolved from the barter system, where goods were traded directly, to various forms such as coins and paper currency. Today, we witness the rise of digital currencies and cryptocurrencies, revolutionizing how we perceive and use money. This evolution has made transactions faster and more efficient, breaking down geographical barriers. The importance of money in facilitating trade and commerce cannot be overstated. It allows businesses to operate smoothly, consumers to purchase what they need, and economies to grow. Understanding these concepts is essential for grasping the intricate web of our financial systems and the role money plays in our daily lives. Types of money. Throughout history, money has taken various forms, each serving its purpose in facilitating trade. Physical currency, such as coins and banknotes, has been the most traditional form, providing a tangible means of exchange. Coins, made from precious metals, and banknotes issued by governments have been widely accepted for centuries. In recent years, digital money has emerged, transforming how we conduct transactions. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin represent a decentralized form of digital currency, allowing for peer-to-peer exchanges without intermediaries. Another significant type is fiat money, which has no intrinsic value but is backed by a government decree. Its value is derived from the trust and confidence people place in the issuing authority. Understanding these different forms of money helps us appreciate the evolution of our financial systems and the implications they have on global economies today. How money is created. In modern economies, the creation of money is primarily managed by central banks, which are responsible for issuing currency and regulating the money supply. Central banks, like the Federal Reserve in the United States, have the authority to create money through various mechanisms, including open market operations and setting interest rates. One key concept in this process is fractional reserve banking, where banks are required to keep only a fraction of deposits as reserves while lending out the rest. This practice effectively multiplies the money supply, allowing for increased lending and economic activity. However, it also requires careful oversight to prevent excessive inflation or financial instability. Monetary policy plays a crucial role in maintaining economic stability, as central banks adjust interest rates and control money supply to influence inflation, employment, and overall economic growth. Understanding these processes is essential for grasping how our financial systems function. The value of money. The value of money is determined by several key factors, with supply and demand being the most significant. When demand for a currency increases, its value typically rises, while an oversupply can lead to depreciation. Inflation and deflation also play critical roles in influencing purchasing power. Inflation erodes the value of money, meaning consumers can buy less with the same amount over time, while deflation can increase purchasing power but may signal economic stagnation. Additionally, exchange rates are vital in global trade as they determine how much one currency is worth in relation to another. Fluctuations in exchange rates can impact international business, affecting everything from import costs to export competitiveness. Understanding these dynamics is essential for navigating the complexities of the financial world and making informed economic decisions. Saving and investing. Saving and investing are crucial components of financial health, enabling individuals to secure their future and achieve their financial goals. Saving money is essential for covering future needs and emergencies, providing a safety net for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. On the other hand, investing involves putting your money to work in various assets such as stocks, bonds, or real estate with the aim of generating returns over time. Each investment option comes with its own risk and reward profile, allowing individuals to choose based on their financial goals and risk tolerance. One of the most powerful benefits of investing is compound interest, which allows your money to grow exponentially over time. By reinvesting earnings, you can significantly increase your wealth, making it vital to start saving and investing early to maximize these benefits. Understanding these concepts can lead to a more secure financial future. The role of banks. Banks play a vital role in the economy by serving as financial intermediaries that facilitate savings and loans. They accept deposits from individuals and businesses, providing a safe place to store money while offering interest on those deposits. In turn, banks lend this money to borrowers, enabling them to finance homes, education, and business ventures. Credit is a crucial aspect of banking as it allows consumers to make purchases and invest in opportunities they might not afford upfront. Access to credit can significantly impact consumer spending and overall economic activity. Additionally, banks contribute to economic growth by providing the necessary capital for businesses to expand and innovate. By assessing risk and allocating resources efficiently, banks help ensure that funds flow to productive uses, ultimately supporting job creation and enhancing the overall stability of the economy. Understanding the role of banks is essential for navigating the financial landscape. Financial literacy. Financial literacy refers to the ability to understand and effectively manage personal finances, including budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding credit. In today's complex financial landscape, being financially literate is more important than ever. It empowers individuals to make informed decisions, avoid debt traps, and plan for a secure future. Fortunately, there are numerous resources available to enhance financial knowledge, such as online courses, books, podcasts, and community workshops. Many organizations also offer free tools and calculators to help with budgeting and investment planning. By taking advantage of these resources, viewers can build their financial skills and confidence. Ultimately, financial literacy is about taking control of your financial future. By understanding how money works and making informed choices, you can achieve your financial goals and create a stable, prosperous life. Start your journey toward financial empowerment today. Conclusion: In this video, we explored the essential concepts of how money works and its significance in our daily lives. We discussed the various forms of money, the process of its creation, and the factors that determine its value. Understanding these principles is crucial for effective personal finance management, enabling you to save, invest, and make informed financial decisions. We hope you found this information valuable and encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with others who might benefit from this knowledge. Additionally, feel free to explore our related content on the channel or visit our website for more resources that can help you on your financial journey. Remember, the more you understand money, the better equipped you'll be to achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.